sky. What's that? Let me see what's that. Huh? What's that? Carrot? Very good. What's that? Let me see. What's that? What's that? Cabbage. Cabbage. What else? Banana. Correct. O later, eat banana. You eat banana. Opo. Luto tayo banana. Opo. Opo. Saan? Wala nang banana dun. Bibili tayo mamaya sa baba. Ano ba yun? Ay, vitamins. Opo. O sige na. Ano pa? Banana. Opo, banana. Bibili tayo mamaya sa baba. Saan pa? Ano ba yan? Pig. Correct. Ano yan? What's that? Ha? Ano yun? Elephant. What's that? Ha? Sino yan? Monkey? How about that? What's that? Hamster. Hamster? Opo. Ano yan? Cat. Very good. Ayan. What's that? Dog. Correct. Ano yan? Monkey? Ito ano to? What's that? Lion. Ano yan? Elephant. Not apple. This is an apple. It's a peach. Ano yan? Corn. Cucumber. Pepino. Favorite mo yan? Ano yan? Tomato. Onion. Yes, banana. How about this? What's this? Ano yan? Ano nga yan? Oh, fire truck. Opo. Ano pa? Yan. Piano. What's this? Ice, correct. What's that? Di ba you write it? What's that? Train, correct. Ito, what's this? Oh, sumakay ikaw sa train. Saan pa? With nanay. Opo. Saan pa? What's this? Nose, correct. This. Lip. Opo, correct. Lip nga yan. Ito. What's your ear? Huh? Where's your ear? Very good. Ito. Ano yan? Hand. Where's your fingers? Saan fingers ni Sky? Saan fingers? Ano ba yan? Ano yan? Ambulance. What's that? Huh? Let me see. Taxi. Ay, hindi taxi. Police car. What's that? A bus. Correct. What color is this? Red. Ito ano to? Yellow. Ito. What color? Blue. Ito. Green. Nan. Pink. Orange. Ito na. Purple. Violet. Orange yan. Ito. Brown. Violet. Purple.